wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm a shut selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in the music lab with another banger. You know, people, you already know what time it is. Yo, Dan Mafia gang, you see what I deal with today. Back in our music lab with an artist that's no stranger to the channel. Came with what we there with? We there with Mr. Akadat, Mr. Big Rubber Light, Bob, Mr. Pantan, Mr. Paddleboat, Mr. Centrap. You know what I'm saying? We may talk about today. We're there with the biggest rubber, like Bob. You know what I'm saying? Big rubber like Bob, none other than Najeeriii. We're there with the charge, man. You don't know. We're there with Najeeriii. And they want to name F1. I check it out and see what your dog I deal with. You don't know, we rate Najeeriii on the channel, bro. Yeah, we're definitely one of the first channels to react to Najeeriii, bro. One of the first artists to react to Najeeriii and actually talk about it in media. We don't care about what nobody say. Even the guy, the bigger, even the bigger blood clot vlogger and them thing there. You know what I'm saying? We are definitely one of the first to talk about this thing. And this nigga been doing great in dancehall so far. And we definitely enjoy his videos and like his videos over here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. And the back in our music lab, they are on the chopping board. You know what I'm saying? They want to name F1. We want to see if Najeeriii continue with the vibe, continue with these hits and bangers. You know what I'm saying? You know, Pantan, Paddleboat, Blood Clot, Bob Rock, all that shit been a vibe, been doing numbers. You know what I'm saying? They'll be doing things, and we hope Najeeriii continue on this part. You know what I'm saying? Definitely one of the most interesting and one of the most interesting and most I would say captivating flows out right now. You know what I'm saying? So big up Najeeriii, dog doing anything, guys. But before we even jump in the track, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, take this time to subscribe, man. Become part of the family. Come on. Do the right thing, bro. Code. Come on, man. Do the right thing. Subscribe, bro. You don't know. You hear that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Code, man. Follow the code. You don't know. Everybody that's real know the code and know the right thing for do. Yeah, man. Hit the like and subscribe, man. Like, help push the video them out, man. Help the channel grow, man. So let's do the right thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Code is life, man. I'm to them. Yeah, man. I jump right now. Track. Yeah, man. Today we got Najeeriii. The one the name F1. Not the one hold up the vibes much longer. Let's get it. God, that got blood clot. Skunk Nation? Who knows Skunk Nation, bro? Yeah, man, I've been watching these niggas vlog videos for a long time, you know, on cars and shit. If you don't know who this Skunk Nation, definitely want to check out his channel, man. And you know what I'm saying, man, we got showing you the latest cars in Jamaica and in the Caribbean and in America as well. He's just been doing car vlogs. Channel dope, man. I really enjoyed. Man, I have some whips on Skunk Nation. Don't worry yourself, man. I have some whips on that bumbuckler. Wait, man, something coming, man. A lot of things coming. So as guys, keep helping boy going, man. Keep hitting the like and subscribe, man. I'm telling them about to turn up. Come on.
Hey, quest time. Oh, I see. Big Ducky V6. Press out a big Ducky V6.
Buckler. So that car, this is definitely a car. So for Skunk Nation, F1, we don't know what's some car thing in that pan. Plus you got skunk in this, man. Come on, yeah, man. This gonna be epic. Man say press out the big Ducky V6. Come on.
Press out a big Ducky V6.
Boss, a big Ducky V6.
Quest that a press out a big Ducky V6. He can revolt a quick multi-speed it. Then he start make holes a lick. But if he bricks thin Ducky beast, one click bust his ceiling. Imam says so rich, so she feel
Clad Quest up press out the big Ducky V6. You know, yeah, this is a vibe, bro. I like in this one. That always comes with some interesting flows and interesting topic. That's why people like Najeeriii. Come in.
Bitch running in panny whip, so me beat it. He money reaching, Sid Wally leads and bring down he bridge quick. Big Ducky V6, Bob drift, rocky wheel rim. Pressy whip like a Formula One. Me get the beam, not a car for Japan. Giuseppe kicks and a blast.
The man say, yo, the bitch are running in panny V6, so me beat it. The man say, drift bad and poppy rim when me You drift it, blood clot to the fam. This nigga crazy there, yeah. Najeeriii, but it's so wild in there. Man say, me get the win in pan. Come here.
See a van, sit make it big jack a park with a tank that's full. She want par with a bab that pull down food. I'm a charge, a cap that booms. He got the hot that look. She said a bomb, give it all like a shock from pulse. He said me cool and bad. The killer them a roll rampant. Zigzag shot.
God, say me cool and bad. The killer them a roll pantan. Zigzag, come here.
Young cool top mags and a rich bad brad, but he wore top bob. The whip jack fast pan emotion laps. The coach all crack from the program hot. Prezi hot spot full up on the poor but ran up he got pop. Kudos when he stole that switch. Want take khaki in a hem package. I'm
Clat, easy no bad bitch. Want take khaki in the hem package. You don't know the be my dog a top boy no come in.
bad seat, Prezi her quest knock it. She so cock sip, any and take Mali. She come from the city Senegal, them trafficking with.
Easy no mama, we are going so, they at the track in Jamaica. This is either Bumbleclad. Damn. This is what's the name of the speedway, bro? Where they go race and shit. It's not Daytona. It's damn, bro. I have no idea the name of it. I'm having a brain fart. Guys, drop the speedway where they side in Jamaica. The track where everybody always go there and race. Come on.
Jackie, got this swift pim, be my squeeze, keep a brick for your jeep, and a clip for your dweep. Binge in a theft bad sit still a thief, and a drink take a left bob kidney a bleed. Press the whip like a Formula One.
I say I drink blood clad with bob kidney a bleed. To what drinking, bro? Come on, man.
Me get the bim, not a car for Japan. This a big kicks and a blast a van. Sid make a big jack a park with a tank that's full. She want par with a bob that pull down food. I'm a charge a cap that booms. He got the hot that look. She said a palm give her all that a press out a big so TV6.
Man say blood clam. Me press a whip like Formula One. Me get a bim, not a whip from Japan. Easy the one.
He can't revolt a quick multi-speed it. And he start make cause a lick body fabrics. Tint up the beast, one click bust the ceiling. He mom say so sorry, so she fiending. Bitch running in panny whip, so me beat it. He money reaching, Sid Wally leads and bring down the bridge. Quick, dirty Vicks, bob drift, rocky wheel rim. Pressy whip like a
big dirty Vicks, big dirty Vic, bad drift, but rocky wheel rim. This nigga wild and they be drifting too hard, boy.
Formula One, me get the bim, not a car for Japan. Giuseppe kicks and a blast a van. Sid make it big, jack a park with a tank.
You get the bim, not a car for Japan, cause I don't know, Bima is German engineering. You know, everything the man be saying making sense. Just to sell it with style.
That's full up. She want par with a bob that pull down food. I'm a charge a cap that booms. The catty hot that look. She said a palm give her all like a shock from pulse. Cool and bad. The killer them a roll rampant. Zigzag shotty and cold and mags. Rich bad.
The man cool and bad. The killer them a roll.
Brad but the whole top pop. Jack pass pan emotion laps. The coach shall grab from the program. Really hot spot pull up on poor bad ran. Hey, question.
I mean, out of there. Blood clad. Big grabber like Bob. Senegal boss man himself, man. Najeeriii. Yeah, man, youngest on the bodies right now. And I'm saying doing this thing out here. Yeah, one of the youngest on the bodies right now. No alkaline right now. You know what I'm saying? Definitely one of the youngest youth to do it out here.
What is it that makes...
Yeah, man, so shout out to Najeeriii, bro, for doing this thing, bro. And continue. You see me? Style and blood cleat. You see me? Is people gravitate to his style and blood cleat whole flow. You see me? And energy and everything. And his creativity. You see me? Because his topics be different as well. You know what I'm saying? So that's why people vibe with the dog. You know what I'm saying? And him do him thing, dog. And him young in that game too with so much years to go and growth. You know what I'm saying? So much to develop. Man, yo, there's no limit. So I hope he just, you know, doing this thing, keeping his head on his shoulder and everything, and taking all the lessons and learn from the other artists that around him and the other artists that come before, and learn from their mistakes and learn their best practices and things like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, and shoot for the top, man. Keep doing your thing, bro. You know, I'm trying to be one of the best. Don't just try to get a little dub money or this money. Try to be one of the best. Try to get a Grammy and them thing there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, even though the Grammy I get water them, but try to be one of the best household name type shit. Shoot for Drake status and them shit, you know, pass Drake and them man, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, gang. Keep doing your thing, dog. Senegal boss himself. Guys, what you think about the one? The one of favorite part? Drop in the comment section, let me know. Beats, lyrics, melody. You know what I'm saying? The video, carry them, the whips. Yeah, you think bad, man. We like the video, you know what I'm saying? So let me know in the comment section, what was your favorite part? Where you're watching from? What you want me to react to next? And you definitely get your shout out. You know, see me and say credit. And also, if you like it, go show that some love and support. Make you know, sir, Jambisco dancing and we lit over here, so gang. You know what I'm saying? We going, yo, that mafia. We growing. You know what I'm saying? We growing slowly but surely. But help your boy out. You can help the channel grow even faster and help me get to my goal even faster. By just hitting the like and the subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? It's totally free. There's no charge. You know what I'm saying? So y'all ain't gotta worry about that. You know what I'm saying? So just help your boy out, help me grow. I mean, you know, help me achieve my goals, guys. I appreciate y'all. You don't know. Till next time. You don't know. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.